Díomh a fáistí agus fáilte chuig de ceacht Gaeilge inniu an mórt tá sé an dara lá de bhí fiara agus táid san airc inis. Táid chun an dáin an imáint a dhéanamh inniu. Chaithí me se cúpla focail a eáil suas san folklore. I had to look up a few of these phrases and Freudian words in the folklore. They're because that's it. They're phrases that so the words on their own might mean one thing, but in the phrase they're meaning something different. So I just had to make sure I knew what I was explaining. So it's on imanch hurling or hurling. So grim an dawan Neil Ryark níos áile. So on the back of the world, Neil Ryark. So it's in the I'm sure Loirach gachlaw every day. There's not a better site. Ryark is a site and níos áile, like all in, go all in is áile, so better, nicer, and then níos áile, better still. So on the back of the world, there's not a better site. Ná trucha far ag bula boire than 30 men. Ag bula boire is like playing a match, shooting. It can also mean like just playing hurling. Ag bula boire freshen. Fork vor glas fwy hatnav grania. So on a big green field, so pitch, fwy hatnav grania, under the loveliness of the sun, under sunshine. Is na garha multa ag dul chun spera. So garha, I looked up, is like roars or screams, but multa is praise. So it's like, cheering people on, which you do hear on the sidelines of matches. And they're ag dul chun spera, because the way when people are shouting, it travels and it's going up into the air, going up to the sky. They're shouting so loud. Rá iran rí in aig a chéile. So two teams. In aig is like going against one another. So, playing one another, opposition. And grí is like strong, hearty, fit. Gach far in more inert is a rema. This was a phrase I had to look up. Every man, gach far, in more inert is a rema. So in more inert, that phrase in more inert means like in your strength, like in the height of your strength, I suppose. And rema, in more a rema means like at the height of your career. So like these men are, at the height of their career and their fitness. So it's like with strength and more inert, with their strength and being at the height of their career. Come on, all Luska fud na porca. Swinging, Luska hurls fud na porca all over the pitch. So the word park, where was it? Up here, gets a H here because it's fork. And it's na porca here, because it's coming after this phrase, fud na porca. Is an schlitter ag imacht Lewis in orja, and the schlitter going ag imacht Lewis. So the tram is called the Lewis. It means rapid, so going up high in orja, in the air. An trocha far ag ri is ag léimneach, so 30 men running and jumping. Búli á múla le neart is le héfacht. So hitting blows and swinging and hitting with strength, nyart, is le héfacht, and with like effective hits. They're aiming and hitting well. Tapulacht kosha is ulchacht lava. Tapula, like tappy, good tappy, fast. Kosha, feet. So fast feet is ulchacht lava. This is like trained hands, they've been to training. It's not the first time they're doing it. They've practiced and practiced and practiced. So it's like instinct. Grim on down, Neil Ryark níos áile. So they're repeating the first line again, which is a nice way to start and finish stories or poems, to come back to the first thought. No better sight in the world, no nicer sight in the world than all of these sights on a hurling pitch. So just to quickly go back through that again, no nicer sight in all the world than 30 men playing hurling, or just locked in like a competition. Fork vor glas foi hetan of graine on a big green pitch under the sun. Is na gartha multa ag dul chun spéire, the screams and shouts of praise going up to the sky. Gá ar an grí in aige chéile. Two strong teams going up against each other in aige chéile. Gach far and more inert is a réimse. Every man, at the height of their strength and the height of their career. Come on, Aluska fud na parka, hurls swinging all over the pitch. Is an schlitter ag imacht Lewis and Orja, and the schlitter going high and fast into the air. On truck of farg rit is a gleimneach, 30 men running and jumping. Bulia on mula lenyart is lehefacht, aiming and hitting blows and hitting the ball with strength and effectiveness. Tapulacht kusha is ultacht lava, fast feet and trained hands. Grim on down Neil Rarkness Olya, nowhere on earth, I suppose, can you see as nice a sight. I'd argue you could interchange the word far here for truca mana. You could have women there either, and it would still be just as good a poem there. So Ibrahim Codis Anam Dundan. So Anam. So that's the way you say my name is blank. So Miss Cregan, and then is Anam Dum, but obviously here you're saying Dun Dawn. On Mahlat and Dawn, well that's the Rawa, is Mahlam and Dawn, no Ni Mahlam and Dawn. On Mahlat Ve'eg Imont, what Latza Ve'eg Imont or Gimmert Imoniacht. Iver Car I'm should Kuig Uckle in a will E Fathers Dawn. So you're looking for 5 words. Kuig Fuckle le E Father. Remembering E Father changes the sound to like A. Like here, Grania. If we're Kuig, I'm Shakug, Uckle in a will, I father Sadan, and that gives us an E sound, I father. I'm trying to see. They want what Kuig Fuckle? Nias. Oh yeah. I'm Shig Kuig Fuckle in a will, A father, so that's the O sound. So you're getting A, E, and then the O sound, like ta. And then I'm Shig Kuig Fuckle in a will, the A sound, the A, like far. If there's a father on the E, it would become air, fair. And that's the difference. The father is the difference between this meaning a man, far. The father would make it air, and that's grass here on the pitch. So pretty important in this poem, especially to make sure that your father isn't in this word, because you want it to mean the man rather than the grass. So that's your poem for new on Imont. Tasula gum go manchiv tatnavas, that you enjoy it. There's Kupla Frosy, all in lovely phrases there. Frosy that I didn't know, certainly. I definitely would keep this one if I was doing essays in secondary. This one here, definitely like in more inert is a rema, to say somebody's like at the height of their career, in more a rema. It's a nice phrase. This here, like Garaha multa, praise, shouts of praise. It's really nice. This here, like fast feet, tapulacht quisha is ultacht lova. So, Shin A lahai on Mort, Bontat Navas agus Slán, Gudi on Cadine.